In this video, I will discuss the factors that companies should consider when deciding whether or not to speak out on important matters. Businesses must decide whether to remain neutral or take a position on a variety of socio-economic and political problems in today's quickly changing and socially conscious environment. This is not a decision to be made lightly because it can have a big impact on a company's reputation, client loyalty, and bottom line. Consumer expectations have changed significantly in recent years. People are increasingly expecting businesses to be socially responsible and to take a stand on important topics in addition to providing high quality goods and services. A number of factors have contributed to this transition, including the development of social media, increased awareness of global concerns, and an increasing focus on corporate social responsibility. Having an opinion on current issues might have various advantages for a business. When a company connects itself with causes or ideas that are important to its customers, it can build stronger customer loyalty. Customers that share certain values are more likely to be brand supporters and representatives. Employees are increasingly drawn to companies that show a sense of purpose and social responsibility. In addition to customers, taking a stand can assist in attracting and retaining great personnel. In crowded markets, taking a stand can help a brand stand out from the crowd. It might be a distinct selling point that attracts like-minded customers. While taking a stand has potential rewards, there are also significant risks and hurdles that companies must overcome. Here are some important considerations. It is important to select topics that are relevant to the company, mission, and consumer base. Taking a position on unconnected or controversial topics can harm. When a corporation takes a stand, its messaging and action should be consistent. Inconsistencies can cause trust to fade. Customers can easily identify when a company's activities are motivated by real concern as compared to marketing. Authenticity is important. Companies should consider the short and long-term effects of their position on their business. This involves taking into account the possibility of boycotts or reprisal. Prepare to respond to customer, employee, and public criticism or queries. Make a plan for dealing with complaints and criticism. Actively addressing important issues or communicating your company's principles and viewpoints can benefit your business. This could entail acquiring new clients as well as strengthening ties with existing ones. You may improve your client base loyalty by taking a stand or being vocal about particular issues. Some clients may sense a stronger connection to your brand if they believe you share their beliefs or worries. A company can choose to remain silent on certain concerns, which is a valid decision. It does, however, underline that this decision should be done carefully and with consideration for the potential implications. It implies that in today's connected and socially conscious society, people frequently want businesses to have a voice and engage in relevant causes. If a company decides to remain silent on certain issues, it should be prepared to reply when questioned or challenged by its customers. This means having a strategy in place to appropriately address such queries or concerns. It is a complicated and strategic decisions for a company to decide when and how to take a stand. It requires a thorough grasp of your target audience, a dedication to authenticity, and a willingness to accept the potential risks and rewards. Finally, the decision to speak or remain silent should be consistent with your company's beliefs, mission, and long-term objectives. Finding the correct balance between being neutral and taking a statement can be a defining component in a company's success in today's environment, where consumers increasingly want companies to be socially conscious. Thanks.